Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the W command. And yes, the command is simply W. It's a lot like the who command, but provides more information. Where the who command shows you something like this, and you can see our logged in users and where they're coming from. The W command also shows you how long the system has been up, the number of users logged in right now, the load averages, that's the 1, 5, and 15-minute load averages, all of which are right now 0. And then we see the users in the terminals and the login date and time, how long they've been idle, and even what commands they're running over here. And as you can see, one of the users is running W, so that's not much of a surprise, I guess. Now, if you add a -I, you add one more column of information. That's this one right here, from. It shows you where they're coming in from, the IP address or terminal, and everything else is pretty much the same. If you add a -H, on the other hand, it's going to get rid of the top two lines. We won't see the uptime or the load averages, and we won't see the column headings, but we'll still see the information. Well, that is your Linux tip for the W command. It's a quick and easy way to see what your users are up to. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.